Interesting.
Hey guys, so I got this new bug zapper today. I was hoping to zap some bugs. It's very electrical. So if I hit a
Hands up. Bang. Bang.
Aus. Hey. Shh.
Wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee. Wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee. Wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee. Dum dum wee. Run.
Oh man, I love the car. The car is my favorite. I love going in the car. I'll go anywhere with you guys. This is my favorite thing ever.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I couldn't ask for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Watch her go from 0 to 100.
Because I am a lazy man. I love doing nothing, which is not good when you're busy. You ever have so much to do so you just decide to take a nap? Maybe some elves will come in here and do this crap. I think I saw that once in a movie. I struggle.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Perfect.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
It's strange he showed.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as Oh no! NANI?! Oh no! Hey! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No, no, no petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
The universe, I'm wrong, I'm alien. I just wanna go home, I'm alien. I'm alien.